Improved sleep is a few simple steps away with your Xpulser Deep Sleep Tuner. Let's walk through the setup of your new device. Unzip the Xpulser case, and inside, you'll see a pouch with two different pockets and coils. You'll see the blue control unit, as well as two rechargeable USB 9-volt batteries. The case also includes a power adapter that goes into the wall and a long cord that can be used to either charge the battery or to maintain battery power while the control unit is running continuously. The package also has a magnetic field tester. When the tester is placed over the running coils, green lights flash to indicate power is coming to the coils. To further check that the device is working, you can also hear a clicking sound from the coils when placed against an ear when the control unit is sending power. To begin, take out the pouch and the coils from the case. The pouch has two pockets, one for each coil. It doesn't matter which side of the coils, bumpy or smooth, faces up, as long as they both face the same direction. Once you place a coil in a pocket, angle the wire coming into the coil toward the center of the pouch. After the coils are placed in the pockets, press the snap for each coil. The coil wires run into a cable with a stereo connector. Remove the control unit from the case, take off the battery cover, and then plug in the coil connector. The battery can be charged without being inserted into the control unit. Plug the USB power cable into the battery, making sure the plug is oriented properly. Attach the cable to the power adapter and plug the power adapter into a power source or outlet. A red light on the battery indicates it is charging. Green indicates that the battery is fully charged. When the battery is disconnected, the light turns off. The battery can also be charged while in the control unit. Insert one of the 9-volt batteries into the control unit, making sure it snaps in tightly and completely. The USB port on the battery should be oriented up. Plug in the USB power cable, attach the cable to the power adapter, and plug the adapter into a power source or outlet. Turn on the control unit. You will see a flashing green light showing the unit is running. The L, M, H, and X letters, indicating low, medium, high, and extra high, correspond to the intensity level of the current flowing out of the control unit. The higher the intensity, the faster the battery drains, if running on battery power alone without being plugged into an outlet. Before using the coils for simulation, it is recommended that you place each one against your ear to listen for clicking. The clicking corresponds to the intensity, so the clicking on the L setting will be quieter than the clicking on the X setting. When you hear the clicking, you can rest assured that the coil is producing a magnetic field. You are now ready to place the Xpulser unit where it will run all night long. Position the control unit under the pillow inside the pillowcase. The control unit does not need to be centered and, because it's slightly bulky, is better situated toward the end of the pillow away from the opening of the pillowcase so that it doesn't come out during the night. Here, it will be secure and away from the head. Make sure there is an adequate lead of the wires coming into the coil pouch. Place the pouch containing the coils lengthwise on top of the center of the pillow, between the pillow and the pillowcase. The idea is that the pouch should be positioned where your head normally rests while sleeping. The control unit will produce a small amount of clicking, which indicates it is working. Throughout the night, the clicking will help the person using the unit orient the head toward the pouch. This audible clicking can reinforce the therapeutic value of the pulsing magnetic field. During the night, you're going to notice the clicking of the coils. The purpose of the clicking is to create what's called audio-magnetic entrainment, or AME. The clicking helps you orient your head to the area of the pouch with the coils in it. During the night, as you move your head back and forth, you can easily orient your head back to the maximum clicking so that you get the optimal magnetic field effect into the brain. Even if the head is slightly off the center of the pillow, or if it's over to the side of the pouch, you will still get some magnetic field benefits. However, the most stimulation to the brain is going to happen with the head right over the coils. While most of the time you will sleep on your side with your head or ear over the coils, you can also sleep with the back of your head on the coil pouch. Or you can slip the coil pouch under the upper neck area just below the ear. This is closer to the reticular activating system, part of the brain and spinal cord that controls your levels of consciousness or awareness. Once you have begun using your equipment regularly, You will notice that reorienting your head to the sound and the coils is easy and maintains delta stimulation significantly throughout the night. Orienting your head toward the maximum sound will best stimulate your brain. If you at first find the clicking sounds to be disturbing, it is important to do self-talk, saying this is useful, necessary, and beneficial. By doing this, you are giving your subconscious directions that the clicking sound is useful, relaxing, and sleep-enhancing. You will run the unit all night. Don't worry that if you pull your head off the Xpulser for a long period of time, you won't be able to recapture the audiomagnetic entrainment. Soon after repositioning your head over the coil patch, you will often feel the magnetic field working, and your brain will re-engage rapidly. Even if you get up during the night, when you get back into your bed, you will automatically put your head back onto the coil pouch. The PEMF will quickly recapture your brain waves and re-entrain the brain. For more information about the Xpulser Deep Sleep Tuner, visit our website at www.xpulser.com. To learn more about sleep and the use of magnetic and audio entrainment, email info@xpulser.com and ask for a free copy of our sleep ebook, Sleep Problems, the PEMF Solution.